China's banking industry developed very well since this reform and recapitalization 2004-2005. And now they're actually not only the biggest bank, but even more important, that a lot of Chinese banks are the most profitable banks in terms of return on equity or profits before tax. This is a really amazing story. On the other side, I have to say, banking in China is not very difficult somewhat. I mentioned already this controlled interest rate. The spread between lending and deposit is around 300 basis points. So for any credit, they take the deposit, give the credit, they make 300 basis points profit minus and some costs and fixed costs and so forth. In a normal Western banking system, if you have 100 basis points, you could be pretty happy. That's one reason, by the way, this tough competition about these low interest rate spreads, why they're always looking for higher margin business and take more risk and this kind of things. This is a little bit point here that banking is not. So the main challenge for Chinese banks is what will happen is the market environment in China become more competitive, not only in terms of interest rate system, but also in terms of new products and the development of the capital markets, because capital markets are also an alternative for banking. So I think they're already improving risk management system, corporate governance, insight. And another important step, they go international. Just ICBC opened in New York and 5 new branches in Europe. So they go more international. Also they take stakes in international banks to get familiar with this kind of international banking. So, the most challenge is to become more competitive in the way to a normal modern banking system. This is the most way. There's a lot of things to do.